So I'll start the class. Before starting the class, you guys have any doubts regarding last class? I'll quickly revise. Okay, last class we have discussed about difference between ECC and S4HANA. Okay, how to identify ECC S4HANA in the system I have shown you. Okay, how the presentation application database layer will work in ECC and S4HANA I showed. Okay, and how the database will work. HANA database, why it is faster. In detail we have studied. Okay, and deployment options, whatever we have on-premise, cloud, hybrid. So these all things we have seen. Different types of projects, a little bit I explained. Today the topic will be this only. Okay, so today, yeah.
Yes. Right now the ECC wherever it is working on HANA database only, because after 2000.
No, they can work, but depend. If they want, they can take the HANA database.
Okay.
But still, companies are working on Oracle. They can work.
Okay.
If it is working on ECC, it's working on HANA database, means it's called business suite on HANA. As for HANA. Okay, these all terminologies you need to remember. Okay, in interview they will ask. They may confuse you so that you can be able to answer. Okay, so which database you are working? If you are telling, in my company it's working on HANA database, means what it is called. If they are asking, means it's a business suite on S4HANA, like that you can call. On and for. That difference yesterday I have explained. You can check that video.
This recording is not required, no? You'll be giving us a drive.
No, I will update in Drive.
Okay.
Yes, today agenda is how the projects will work in SAP. Okay, so I will explain how SAP methodology will work as well as how Activate methodology and what is the difference between SAP and Activate methodology. Okay, so overview I will tell all these things today. Okay. One second. Yeah. So before starting, so I will take one company example. Okay, so for that now I will move ahead with that company only. Okay, let's say. So Nandini Milk will take. Okay, Nandini Milk is a company. Okay. So it is using Oracle. Okay, Nandini Milk is company. This company is using Oracle as a software. Okay, this company want to implement SAP. Okay, so they will, these companies, these people will approach main SAP, right? So they will approach SAP, okay, and they will get the license. As I told, we have many options, right? On-premise, cloud, hybrid. Like once they get the license, these people need to implement SAP, right? So how they will implement SAP? Okay, these people will approach authorized partner for SAP, those who will implement SAP, like your HP, IBM, TCS, like that. These people will approach these companies so that these people will get the project. Okay, so once these people got the project, let's take HP got the project. Okay, these people need to come into Nandini Milk's place on site. Always implementation projects is on site only. Okay, these people need to come into Nandini Milk and they need to understand their process and they need to implement SAP. How they are going to implement SAP? Okay, they have we have two options. One in ECC, what we used to do. In ECC, what we used to do, so we'll follow which methodology? SAP methodology. Okay, so in S4HANA, if you want to implement SAP, so we will follow Activate methodology. Okay, so what is first we'll see what is SAP and then we'll move to why SAP has moved from SAP methodology to Activate methodology. In S4HANA also they can same process they can follow, right? What they have changed. So that's we'll see. Okay. I will write like this in SAP. So while implementing, they are following SAP methodology. Okay. And here SAP Activate. Okay, it's in S4 HANA. It's in ECC. Okay, so what steps we'll follow in SAP methodology? So initially what we'll do? So we'll do the initial preparation. Okay, and then what we'll do? We'll do the business blueprint. Okay, I will explain each. Okay, so, and then third phase is realization. Realization phase. Fourth one, final preparation. Fifth one, go live and hypercare support. Okay, from years, from 15 years, no, the SAP in ECC, these people are following this method only, SAP methodology. SAP means what? Accelerated SAP methodology. Okay, so in S4HANA, what, no, how these people are following here? So prepare. Before prepare, no, they will do the discover. Discover also will come, and then prepare, explore, realize, deploy, run. Okay, these are the different phases in Activate methodology. Whatever I'm writing right in SAP and this one, these you need to remember. In interview they will ask. Okay, so these wordings and all how they used to do, so you need to remember. Once we go into deep, in all these topics we'll go in deep. Okay, why as class process in our level 2 topic project training detail we will get. Okay, so before that, why I'm telling all this in means we all people need to come in the same page, right? That's why. So you need to know what exactly you're going to do before starting my functional activities. Means like your purchase order, P2P activities, functional accept before starting that, Fury and all. So you need to know what exactly we are going to do it in S4HANA, right? That's why you need to understand how SAP methodology earlier used to work and now what we are doing. If you are in an implementation project, what exactly will happen there, that you need to understand. Okay, so we'll see first we'll see how SAP methodology will work, and then we'll see this one, Activate methodology. Okay, so here first SAP. Okay, here as I told, first one is your initial preparation. Okay, here initial preparation means it's project management activities. Initially, the ones that project came to HP. Okay, let's say that Nandini Milk project came to HP. Okay, these people, what they will do here, the project manager they will hire. This project manager, these people will he will take the hiring and all, who needs to hire, what and all the activities we need to do, right? How the different phases are working in this phase. It's a high level activity. Okay, only project manager is involved in this one. Consultant activity will starts from business blueprint phase. Okay, here only project manager, if required, one senior consultants will be there from each modules. Okay, project plan, finalizing the team, these all people activities they will do. So what exactly different activities the people are doing right in initial preparation. So this we'll see in separate topic, and project class we'll see. Okay, so overview I'm telling. Okay, initially project management will happen here, all the allocation and all the people do, and then this is an important phase. Next one is business blueprint. Business blueprint phase. Okay, if we consider this as a 1 year project, okay, initial implementation it will take 1 year only. Okay, it's a ECC. In ECC, if you are implementing SAP, it will take 1 year. So in project manager, initial preparation only it will take 1 month, 1 to 2 months it will take. Okay, this business blueprint it will take again 2 to 3 months. Okay, 3 months it will take. So what we will do it in business blueprint phase here. Here, once we need to go into our client place, right? Here, all consultants hiring will happen in business blueprint phase. Okay, once hired, right? Initial kickoff meeting will be there. We need to go into our client place. Let's say Nandini Milk. Here, we need to go wherever it is. We need to understand their process, right? So what we'll do as a functional consultant, so we need to go into, if we are in, MM consultant means we need to approach our, core users, MM core users. We need to ask them, so how this process will work. We need to make a notes. So entire in business blueprint, here, the whole process will work on, paperwork will be there fully. So we need to make the documents, how these processes are working, right? We will prepare, BPD document, business process document we'll prepare. In that, we'll prepare all the flow charts. Okay, how these people purchasing process will work. Okay, how these people inventory management process will work, right? How the FI people are planning, how the payment will happen to these people. Like that, each model people, they will prepare their own flow charts and they will update. Okay, in that Excel sheet or Word file they will prepare. Okay, this is one file we'll prepare, and then we'll prepare a KDS document, key document structure. Okay, in that, what and all configuration we are going to do it in SAP, right? That we will do. So once you identify this, Nandin Milk, right? See here, Nandin Milk is a company. In that, again, 2 plants are there. Okay, one in Bangalore, another one in Hyderabad, example. Okay, so these 2 plants are there, right? Okay, 2 plants I need to create. For these 2 plants, what naming I need to give, right? What are the number ranges I need to maintain? Everything we will maintain in KDS. Okay, under these plants, how many materials will come? Okay, how many storage locations will come? Okay, so in that material, what and all number ranges I need to give? What are the material types I have? Raw materials, right? Your finished material, semi-finished material, what and all things I need to know, how I need to create it in SAP, right? Before only we need to write everything in paperwork. We need to do. Okay, so in KDS document we'll prepare. Okay, this is a reference for what are the configuration we are going to do. Business process document, right? This is the reference for what is the process we are going to do it in SAP. Okay, so this and all we'll do with the help of our end users. We will go to our end users, so we will take the presentation to them. We will prepare these documents. Again, we will show these documents to our end users, right? Once we need to take the approval for from these people. Okay, so usually we'll gather all the requirements and we'll create BPD document, right? And then we'll create a sign off. Sign off in, we need to take the sign from those end users, right? End user, core team members, their project managers, and all will take the sign, whether whatever we have created it is correct or not. Okay, so this is a business blueprint phase. Overview I'm telling, in detail I will go in project classes. Okay, so once we identify, so whenever we are asking, right, here these people, they are telling, okay, I want this in SAP, I want this in NAP, that in, I want this type of customizations in SAP. Like that, different requirements these people will provide. Okay, so if it is not possible in SAP, right, what we'll do, so we'll put it in gap. So we will prepare gap document also. Okay, gap means whatever is not possible by SAP, this is fulfilled by developments. So we need to do the developments. We need to do the customizations, not to fulfill this gap. Gaps, what means different customizations will be there. Okay, they want some extra tab in purchase order. They want old purchase order number to display in purchase order, right? They want all the delivery details they want to know. They want separate smart forms they want, right? Smart forms in purchase order printout, they want different things. I want this logo, different things they want, right? So that we'll do it in development. That we need to do the customization, right? How we are doing customization? With the help of ABAPer. ABAPer means those people, ABAP separate module I told, right? Those people who knows the codings. Okay, with help of those people, we will do the customizations. Okay, as of now, you can understand this much. So far, any doubts? Before moving to the third phase, that is realization phase.
So Akshay, in this business blueprint phase, there will be whole lot of documents, right? Documentation, how to understand the client's business process.
Yes.
And mainly the consultants will be involved in this phase with project manager level, with project manager and consultants will be involved in this phase, right?
Yeah, consultants will involve with our business team members here, core team members.
Core team members, okay.
So this one, so we need to in on-site only, right? So we need to people, we need to understand their process and we need to do the writings. We need to make it into documents we need to prepare. Okay, I understood this process. It is like this. Okay, then I will prepare my configurations. Okay, this is your process. I need to do the configuration like this. Is it okay? Like that? Each and every process we need to show it to them. Okay, but these all documents and all we need to prepare everything. Okay, so how it is different in Activate, I will show. Once I explain Activate now, how whatever problems we used to face here, what kind of problems we used to face in realization phase, how it is now resolved in Activate methodology, I will show.
Okay.
Okay, so this is business blueprint. Okay, so third one. Third one is a realization phase. This we used to do it in ECC, okay? Whatever I'm explaining. SAP methodology I'm explaining in ECC. Okay, in the realization phase, what we used to do. So here, so in business blueprint now, we will prepare one more document, that is as is and to be document. Okay, as is means as it is, how these processes are there now, we will prepare like this, and to be, what we need to do it in SAP like that, like these documents we will prepare. Okay, as is and to be. As is means as the Nandini Milk, how this process is working like that, we will prepare. For example, Nandini Milk having 3 businesses. Nandini Milk is having 3 different businesses. One is Nandini Agriculture and Nandini Bakery. Okay, Nandini Milk. Okay, 3 businesses these people are having. Okay, Nandini Group of Industries if you take means. So this is as is process. So to be in SAP, what I will do? So okay, 3 businesses these people are having. So I will create 3 different company codes. Okay, company code 1, which is maintained as Nandini Milk Agri. Okay, company code 2, that is bakery products. Nandini Milk, Nandini Milk company itself is a C3. Company code 3. 3 different company codes I will create. Who will create all these company codes and all? Finance 5 consultants. So then what is our work? In this one, plants and all we will create. Plants, storage locations, purchase organizations, this and all. Our work will come. So we'll go in detail once we are explaining infrastructure. Okay, you understood, right? So these all documentation we will do it in business blueprint. Here again, end users, they don't have any they will not see any SAP screens here. Still we are explaining it in papers only. Okay, like this we want to do it in SAP like this. So we will not get any laptops here. Laptops will get, but no server installation will happen. We are not using SAP. In realization phase, here all server installation will happen. Okay, so here we will do the all who will do the server installation and all the basis consultants will do. Basis ABAP consultant, these people will do. So here, as I earlier told, right, in realization phase, okay, so we have 3 servers. One is development server, quality server, and production server. Okay, so here what we'll do, one server installation will happen right here. So here we'll do the standard process. Whatever we have made the preparation in business blueprint, right? Second phase. This all document we'll use, KDS document I shown you, right? In this, what and all configuration we are going to do, right? So all configuration we'll do in development server here. Okay, here again, they will divide different clients in detail. I will go in project class. Now I'm telling means you'll get confused. Okay, exactly where we'll do the configuration, right? I will tell. Okay, so as of now you can understand. So once these all documents will take in development server, will enter. How will enter means as I told right last class. So we'll enter here. I will open SAP screen.
So Akshay, one question here. So
Yes.
as a functional consultant, would we be part of this realization phase in which we will develop, establish the dev, QA, and production environment?
No, I didn't get your question.
Okay, so what I mean to say is that as a functional consultant, are we going to be part of the realization process in
Yes,
which we are
we will only do this one. So whatever I'm explaining, right? So this one we consultant only we need to do, right?
Okay, yeah.
The functional consultant. So we only need to create our whatever in MM related things, right? We only need to create everything in realization phase. We need to configure, right? Everything, all the systems we need to configure. But
Perfect, yeah.
functional consultant and technical consultant, 2 people are there, right? Technical consultant, their work they will do. Our work we need to do. What exactly we will do, I will tell you. Means what and all configurations we will do, that technical things, right? Your purchase order thing, right? Master data, vendor master, right? Your transaction data, configuration. These all data, right? How to do the day-to-day activities, what and all required, right? Configurations, that and all we will do it in backend, right? Where we will do that one? So in development server. Okay, so here you're able to see my screen. Here you can see here many servers are there. Here, once I enter into, let's say this is development server. Once you enter here, you're able to see here, this is a client. So 800, it is a development server. When I'm entering quality server, different client, it will be there. When you are entering production server, end users are there, right? End users will work in production server. Those people are having different client here. Okay, like that you can understand as of now.
Right.
Okay, so like that we will enter into screen and we will work. As it is the real time, whatever we are doing, everything will apply into everywhere. Okay, so how it will not apply everywhere, we need to transfer the data. How we will tell. Okay, where I am, so whatever we have prepared, right, in business blueprint phase, these and all configuration we will do it in development server. Okay, we means here we have functional consultant. Functional consultant will do our configuration. Technical people, they will do their configurations also here only. Right? FI people will do, FI consultants will do their configuration, SD or like that. All functional consultants will do their configuration. Technical consultants will do their configurations. Okay. So here, once this configuration is done, again we'll do one testing here. In development server only, we'll do one testing. That is unit testing. Okay. So whatever we are testing, whatever we are configuring, we need to test it, right? Before we are going to processing next one. We need to test it. So that unit testing we'll do it here. For that, again, we need to prepare one script, right? Okay, what and all I need to check, right? So what is my test cases? Test cases in the sense plant I have created here, for example. Okay, I have created plant. Plant is working correctly or not? How I need to check it, right? So how we need to check and all detail we'll see once I go into in project class in detail. Okay, so as of now in development server we are doing the configurations, and then here only we'll do the unit testing. So once the testing is done, whatever we have configured, right, or everything we have configured here, then all this data we will move it to quality server. Here what we'll do, here again we'll do your system integration testing we'll do. SIT and then UAT. System integration testing and user acceptance testing. These two will be done in quality server. But in the realization phase, we'll do this one only SIT, system integration testing. Okay, system integration testing means it's a cross-module testing. So MM and FI integration, right? How it is hitting to different models, right? So different cross-module testing we'll do. What exactly testing we are doing, we'll see in detail. So here again, two testing will be done. UAT means again is a user acceptance testing. Then all the data again, once it is done, then all data will move to production server. Here our end users will work. Here day-to-day activities. Once everything is done, right, testing and all, then the data will move to here. So before testing and all, again here we will give demo to our end users. Okay, like this I'm moving, all data is correct or not. So these people will verify if they have any wrong. Again we'll do it here and do the changes and all. Right, many headaches will be there. Okay, because end user don't know. So whatever we are showing right in document PPT, then only they are analyzing. Unit testing is done, we'll give a demo to those people. Okay, like this I want to make it in server. In SAP we are making like this. We'll give the PPT to show the PPT to them. Okay, so those people will make some corrections. I don't want plant name like this. I don't want material type to be like this. Right, something and all they will tell, and then we'll make the corrections again, and then it will go for testing, and then it will go to here SIT. Here also, if they make any corrections, means again we need to go back. Okay, so now it may be to understanding it is difficult for you. With example I'm explaining now in project class you will understand. Now I am giving example means you don't know, means process function what we will do exactly, right? Then you will understand. So overview. So I am telling. Once all the data moves to production, those people will work day-to-day activities here. Okay, so this is the in realization phase. This it will work like this. Okay, if server installation will happen, we'll do the configurations. Okay, in realization phase, configuration testing, everything we'll do here. Okay. So any doubts here? This is the third phase in SAP methodology. Cool. Next. Fourth phase is final preparation. Before going live into production server, so here final preparation will be done. Final preparation means what we'll do. Functional consultant will provide the So we need to provide a training to our end user. Here end user training will happen. In this phase, in the realization phase, again, this will take 2 to 3 months it will take. Okay, to do the all configurations and all. Okay, again in business blueprint, as I told here in this phase, 2 to 3 months. Project preparation 1 to 2 months. Right? Business blueprint again, it will take 2 to 3 months. Again, final preparation it will take 3 months it will take. Because what we'll do here, we'll give the training to end user. Okay, so then what we'll do, we'll do the UAT. UAT is the testing, user acceptance testing. Okay, user acceptance testing. This will be done by end users, and they will do with the help of consultants. We need to sit back to them and we need to check how these people are doing. Okay, here in this space, they will get access to our SAP sandbox system. They will give, right, quality server, quality. Sometimes they will give access, right? These people will work on UAT, user acceptance testing. Whatever we have here, they will use whatever we have prepared, right? In unit testing. Unit testing is done by here consultants only. Here, this unit testing is done by consultant. SIT is done by consultant. These testings. Then again, this UAT, this will be done in quality server. But who will do this one? End users will do with the help of consultant. Okay. So to do this testing, we'll use that script only, UT script. UT script in sense we'll write here. What are the test cases? Right? What we need to check? Right? Positive testing, negative testing will come. Right? What is positive testing? What is negative testing? Right? These all things I will tell you once the class proceeds. Okay. And then what we'll do here, and everything we'll do the preparation for go live. Okay, so data migration will happen here. Data migration means Nandan Milk is using Oracle, as I told. Okay, here already these people are using some master data, right? Many master data will be there, open purchase orders, right? Over here transaction data will be there, open purchase orders, right? These are master data, open purchase order, open GL accounts from a FI consultant. These all things we need to update into our SAP, right? All these data we need to update into SAP. How we are updating, right? Here some methods will come over. This one we'll use LTMC through BAPI, okay, and LSMW. Okay, these are the tools, right? Using this, we will update the master data into SAP. Okay, this data migration will happen in this phase only, final preparation. Because after this, they will go to live production system. They will go for live, right? Before that, in this phase only, they will do the update. They will do all the master data, right? Your transaction data, open purchase orders, which is not closed. These all things they will update. Rest and all things they will create, right? They will create themselves on the production server. Okay, this is done in your final preparation. Then fifth one is go live. Go live and hypercare support. Go live means what? Nothing but it's an official starting date of a business. So Nandan Milk went live on SAP. All implementation is done. Okay, all configuration is done. Then the end user will start using their day-to-day activities here. So for this one, we need to give the support, hypercare support for 2 to 3 months for free. Okay, as a HP, right? We are implementing, right? So HP in this one, we consultant are hired here, right? So we went to Nandan Milk and we are implementing, right? Using these processes as SAP methodology, right? So once these people go live, so we need to give support to these people. Okay, because it's a brand new process. These people don't know if starting any problem means we need to help, right? If any problems happens, if people are raising ticket to us, we will solve them, right? Because we only implemented everything, right? So 2 to 3 months, we will give the hypercare support. After that, if they want, they can take the entire 1 year support project. They can give it to us also. They can give it to different company also. That is your second project support. Already companies working on SAP, they are taking help to support to another company. That is support project. Okay, like this, we will implement using SAP methodology. Okay, so overview I have explained. Any doubts here? How it is different from our Activate methodology, we'll see. Any doubts?
It's okay.
Okay. So now we'll see how activate methodology is different from this one. One second. One second, right? One second. Okay. Okay. So now we understood SAP, ASAP methodology, right? That is accelerated SAP methodology, right? Now we'll see how our activate methodology will work, right? That is SAP activate methodology. Okay. In this one, we have prepare, explore, your realize, deploy, and run. Okay, how it is different from my SAP methodology, right? So here in prepare phase, it's more or less same with our SAP methodology. So there also initial preparation will do, right? Project management activities will happen here, hiring and all initially. Okay, they will plan the project how we are going to do. Okay, so here in explore in this project, what we'll do, they will do. So in SAP methodology, so here in SAP methodology, end users will not able to see the SAP screen, right? So in explore methodology, so here end user has access to, they can check SAP screen. It's like in SAP methodology, what problem we used to get means, for example, so if you are buying any house means, if you're taking any house, you're constructing any house means, right? So from 8 months, these people are showing you, only the plan they are showing you. Like this, we are going to do the furniture. Like this, your kitchen will look. Like this, your hall will look, right? But they are not allowing you to go and see how it is looking, right? So then, it is very difficult for in paper only how they can do, right? So feedback will be very much difficult, right? So that is thing. It is avoided here. In explore phase, the end users can check the SAP screen. Earlier, what used to happen here in business blueprint? Here in business blueprint, in this phase, again, 3 months from initially, these 3 months, only paperwork, right? We used to type everything in paper. We need to show it to them. Okay, like this, we are going to do it in SAP, right? So these people don't have any access to the SAP system. But here now in the explore phase, so we'll give access to these people. End users, they can also check the system. Sandbox server will give, like I have given IDS server, right? It's like sandbox server. They can play with it. So whatever we are showing, right? Like this, we want to do it in SAP, right? You can check here. Like that, we'll give the server access to them, so they can they can practice and check there how these people will do. So again, same thing. We'll gather all the information. Requirement gathering will happen here. Okay, from our users, whatever thing we need to take, right? How the your company will work, right? How the business process will work. All these information will collect. Okay, then we'll start showing the SAP screens. We'll open the screen and we'll show, okay, like this we are going to do. Give your feedbacks like that. Those people identify. Okay, then they will give their suggestion. Oh, I don't want like this. I want here only. They will workload will be reduced. Right. So again, in the realization phase, we'll go and here we are doing configurations and testing, and then they are giving corrections, right? And then it's a headache again. All things we need to remember. We need to do it one more time, right? Here only you are getting feedback. Okay, how it is looking in SAP. So
Akshay, sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
In this explore phase, if you give the access to the end users, then it will be a problem, right? Because see, in this phase, the full configuration is not done. So at that time, there be a chance that there will be a lot of errors.
Yeah, let it be, because we are giving sandbox server, not our main server. We have development, quality, and production server, right? One more server, that is sandbox server. That is, you can play, that's like IDS server, right? You can play with it. Whatever you want, you can do it here. This server access, we'll give it to them, not our development, quality, and production server. Here, we will only do. Once your user acceptance testing is done, right, then only we'll give quality server will give. Before that, we'll give sandbox server only. Here only we'll do and we'll show. How many servers we have exactly, how what and all work will be done in detail, we'll see once we are expanding in explore phase, right, in project class. Okay. So what we'll do, so here in SAP methodology, what we used to do, we need to prepare, I told, right, we need to do the unit, we need to prepare our KDS document, right, BPD document. Here also we'll prepare all these document configurations and these are all. But in SAP, they have given all the standard templates. We need to download the standard templates from SAP. Just we need to follow. Okay, everything we need to fill it. That's it. Here, all things we need to prepare in explore phase. In our business blueprint phase in SAP methodology, old method. But in S4 HANA, everything is they will only provide SAP. Main SAP we can download or whatever we want, like SAP best practice we have. Right from there, so what and all things we need to download in Fury apps, what and all things apps we need to download, right? How training will be done to end users, this and all documents we'll download and we'll fill and we'll give it to end users, right? So like that we can do the explore thing here in second phase. Okay, here that advantage, as I told, the end users can access the SAP screen. Okay. And then third one is realization phase. Again here, earlier what problem used to happen in our SAP methodology. Again, same thing here in SAP methodology, we are not allowing our end users to involve here in realization phase. Okay, when we will involve in directly in final preparation stage, right? So we have your prepare business blueprint, right? Realization phase, final preparation, right? And then go live, right? In final preparation, while testing user training, then only these people have access to screen. But so we here also in realization phase also, while we are doing configuration, so they can see, we will give the regular, the stand-up meetings we'll take. Here we'll hire, one Scrum Master will hire. Scrum Master means he is a person, okay, who will manage all these meetings. So we'll take weekly regular meetings here, stand-up meetings with our end users, with our business, Nandimilk business. Okay, whatever progress is there, right? We are going to do the configuration in development, right? Whatever we are doing the configuration, weekly wise, we'll give the report to our end users or our core team members. Like this, we are going to do, right? So like this, we have done the configuration. Like this presentation, SAP screen will show them. Earlier, these used to not happen. Directly, the people will get in final preparation stage, user acceptance testing. Okay. So every week, meetings, it is taken on a regular basis. Who will monitor this one? This Scrum Master. Okay, this system will not be there in our old system, SAP, SAP methodology. This is again advantage. Okay, so how this he will manage using the sprint methodology they will follow. These and all terminologies we'll use in SAP, in Activate methodology. Sprint means every week plan, regular basis. These people will follow. Right, whatever meetings is taken or not, stand-up meeting is taken or not, right? So whatever topics discussed, right? So how the progress is going on. These and all end users will keep up to date. They will give the suggestions, right? This is the help. We will get the regular feedback from our end users. That is the advantage. Rest and all again same. We need to do the configuration. We need to do the testing. Okay, so we need to move the data from here to here, right? This and all we will do. Next, in deploy stage again here. Final preparation phase, right? Like in deploy, what we'll do here, we'll do the UAT, user acceptance testing, means end user training we'll give here. So whatever test script we have prepared in realization phase, whatever testing we have done, same thing these people will use in deploy phase. Okay, and they will prepare everything, and then what we'll do, we'll prepare for go live. Before going live, we'll prepare. What we'll prepare, we'll upload the master data, right? Here in deploy phase, how we'll upload master data in old system, we used to upload LSNW BAPI, right? Here it is simplified. Using LTMC we will upload master data, LTFT, right? And through BAPIs, right? We will upload the master data into SAP. Okay, how to upload master data into SAP? Again, we will see in a detailed topic, right? Means your old system to SAP system, how the master data will upload. Means plenty of materials will be there, right? Many open purchase orders will be there. We cannot go and create that open purchase orders in purchase order in a production server, right? All these things. So we need to upload master data here. How this will done, right? In detail, we will learn in LTMC, using LTMC. What is advantage in LSNW? LSNW and all, it is recording basis. BDC, LSNW, it used to take time, more time it will take. Here, time is reduced. Okay, and in deploy phase and all, here all standard templates will get. Again, in old system, we need to download, we need to prepare our own templates to upload the data to all these things. Now we need to prepare all the templates. But here we'll get the standard template from SAP. And in deploy phase, we need to give the training, right, to users. This how we need to give the training to end user. This document also will get it from SAP. We can download it from our cloud, SAP cloud, or your on-premise. You can download standard success factor, standard best practice for SAP will be there. We can download that one. Same way, like that only we'll give the training to our end user. Okay, once our final preparation, everything is done, then we'll go live, run. In run, what we'll do directly, it's the official starting day of a business. Okay. So to summarize, so what and all we have benefits here. Benefits of SAP Activate. Okay. So in explore phase, what is the benefit? Can anyone tell?
The end users have the access to see the screen.
Yes. So since they have the access to see the screen, they will get confidence. Okay, like that we can do everything we can do. In earlier was to happen after 8 months only they will get access to see the screen. Here in initially only they will start seeing the screen, means they get confidence. Okay, that is the main advantage here. Okay, so earlier all theoretical things will go. Okay, directly they can do it in screen, SAP screen. Okay, in the realization phase, what is the advantage here? Here, whatever configuration we are doing, so end user can also they can participate here. So we'll do the regular stand-up meetings, which is not done in our SAP methodology. Here, what we'll do? Here, users can participate in configurations, right? Here, regular meetings will happen. Regular stand-up meetings with our business, okay? And this will be monitored by Scrum Master. Okay, this man is a person. He may be SAP. Then if he knows SAP, then it is good. Or he may not know SAP also. Project manager like that, manager type person will be there. He will manage the regular basis meetings which used to happen, stand-up meetings, right? So here we'll get the proper feedback from our end user, right? So and then deploy phase. Here what it is different. So here end user training materials we will get it from SAP, where we will not get it in SAP methodology. Okay, here we'll get the end user training material, and then what else? That same thing we'll use it for our UAT testing and all. Then here we have our predefined LTMC templates. LTMC means it's a tool to upload mass data, right? This and all templates we will get it from standard SAP. Okay, where it will be used in migration, right? So this is not possible in our SAP methodology. Right, so this is how we'll implement Activate methodology. Okay. This and all overview I told you. Yeah, tell me.
Akshay, the auditors will be coming in which phase here?
Auditor will come in final preparation phase. Deploy. Final preparation. Once everything is done, right? So they will do auditing and all. So how they will do auditing and all. So
before running, they will come and then we have to run.
Yes, yes. Once everything is finalized, right? Before moving to then only we need to run. Before going live. Final preparation phase only auditing will happen. Again, we have auditing partners, right? These and all they will decide it in project preparation phase only. Whatever we are implementing, like here in case HP, I told, right? HP is a project team. Okay, these people, Nandini Milk people, they have given license to these people. They have taken project from these people. They are going to implement SAP, right? Once the implementation is done, so they have Nandini Milk have auditing partner also. One more company like Deloitte, PwC. These all are auditing partners. So those people will come and check whether we have followed Activate methodology correctly or not, right? We have followed SAP standards or not, right? So everything they will check. Okay, if anything is missing, we have not followed whatever what we have done, they will put fine. So that is auditing will done in deploy phase. That and all. Each phase I will go in detail. We have separate classes for separate in the project class. Okay, at that time we will understand. Here, once you get this overview, now once we start this project preparation, means your functional activities, right? Your enterprise structure, purchase orders, right? Your business partner. Then you will understand what exactly we are doing it here, and then we'll go for one by one all these topics. These all topics one by one.
So Akshay, in general, I can say by seeing the screen, the difference between the SAP and Active, like the end users will be more involved in the explore, realization, and deploy phase when compared to SAP.
Yes.
And we have the Scrum meetings with the sprints.
Yes.
And in the deploy phase, we have LTMC and BAPIS instead of LSMW.
Yes.
So in general.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
This is the main difference.
Okay.
Okay, and again in functionality wise, again different many T codes have changed. Here in Fury we will not use T code, right? Some many things are there. So one by one, as class proceeds, you will understand how it is different from. I will compare it with the ECC, so that you can understand how old method we used to follow, how it is changing now.
Akshay, in explore phase, you explained like still they'll be doing like as is and to be documents and gap fit analysis will be done here, or
yes, it will be done. It will, and so but here again end user will be there, right, to monitor. So they also see the screens. It is a different. Again, whatever things are the gap fit analysis, what we'll do, right? So as is process to be processed, how the your KDS document will look, how your BPD document will look. All the documents I have, everything I will show you. Once we go in detail, right here, exactly what we'll do in realization phase, how the templates will be, right? How the customizations will do, how to write FS document. These all in detail. We have all the documents. Okay, I will show you once we enter into deep.
Okay. Yeah.
So here to understand everyone, so I have just explained overview what exactly implementation process will work. Okay. Any other doubts? Any other doubts, guys?